Hi everyone, it's Liz and I have a special guest today. Oh right.
Hello, guest. We're making cookies. We're getting a pan.
So you need a pan. Vanessa, Vanessa's my girlfriend, by the way.
Hi. Says to preheat to 350.
So we're gonna do that now. If you have baking sheets, use them. Take it. And you put it on your pan.
Put it on your pan.
These are mini ones. But you can use whatever
Wait.
size you like.
Liz, did you wash your hands?
No.
Always wash your hands. If you use your shirt to wipe your hands, you start to apply the cookies.
No. You have to open it. These make 40 mini cookies. I should have just gotten one. Now,
First thing,
this is what they look like.
look how nice.
First thing you do is eat one.
It's
Small.
gonna be the same size.
It's not. After you enjoy your raw cookie dough, safe to eat.
Good protein.
Tastes good.
Now,
show them up
the
close.
children might have trouble with this part.
They have to be about an inch apart.
Get your rulers out.
No ruler necessary. This is a ruler. This is an inch. Look. Perfect.
Now, as everyone can see here, Liz is not just doing this for the first time.
Oh, professional.
She's been doing this her whole life. It's a culinary art.
I decided. Did you just eat another one? What are you talking about? Did you eat another one, Vanessa? No. Because you ate it, I'm mad. I'm breaking up with you.
Bye, everyone.
Oh, there she goes. Vanessa, if you're gonna eat a square, eat the whole square.
I hope
You should lick some of them.
that everyone is entertained.
Okay.
Because this is how you make cookies.
You should lick a couple of them as a little surprise. Once the oven is preheated, you can put them in. I'm gonna squeeze them onto the pan because I don't want to make another batch.
Because that might take a lot of work. And work, it's hard.
Thank you for the words of wisdom.
Anytime. All right, we're gonna take a little break here and show you our beautiful betta fish, Oliver. I like to call him Olive, and he likes Toll House cookies.
You can't feed the betta fish Toll House cookies.
I can feed them whatever I want. Okay. Lift the top. Slowly extract your bettas.
What?
Lovely food.
Okay.
And there you go. For coloring, the beautiful Squidward, the beautiful home, the beautiful leaf, the beautiful background, the beautiful purple brown.
Vanessa's stomach hurts, so I'm going to continue. And I'm gonna put my tray of cookies in the oven. In the oven, and then let them bake for how long? The cookies are supposed to be 2 inches apart.
Oh, so the cookies will be squished.
9 to 10 minutes. We're gonna put them in. I think I did the top of it. You just put it in there. Bam, cookies on the tray. I will see all of you when they're done. And I'm back, and we're gonna check on the cookies. Here we go. They don't look golden brown. So, just a little bit. It smells like they burned. I think they burned. I don't know. We're gonna.
How did you not know?
Because I gotta look at them. Alright. I'm not a lefty, but we're gonna... Oh no, they're steaming. And not in a good way.
Let me see.
I think I burned them.
Let me touch.
They're hot, don't touch it.
Listen, folks. Don't cry over burnt cookies.
Stop.
It's okay.
I should have took them out before instead of leaving them.
It's still good.
Oh, I ruined it.
I still eat. That's so good. It's so good.
So I burned the cookies.
This one's not that bad.
So my sister is going to make a new batch of cookies that we can actually eat that aren't burnt. And I'll show you those.
Okay.
So we found out that you're supposed to bake them in batches of 20. And look at the difference before Vanessa eats them. This is a cookie that was supposed to look like, and here's my cookie. So my girlfriend left, and it's just me and the cookies now. The cookies my sister made. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this mess of a video. And I will see you guys soon. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And all my links are down below. Good night for me. Whatever time it is for you. Good morning, good night, good afternoon. And my dog is ready for a treat, so I must go. Bye.